He beat you on that one. All right, we're having a jump contest, Brandon and Mark. Yeah, you had him by a little bit.
Let me go again.
I gotta cut it short.
Yeah, you were almost there.
I can't beat the champ.
I got a little. Oh, that's.
Oh my. That was fun. I'm gonna hit it now. Okay, he made it that time pretty good.
Did he get farther?
No, I think you were a little cleaner. So Alright guys, so yesterday my GoPro died, but after we're hitting the turns track, we made a little loop, and I was going to the right and I fell over, and then Mark ran me over, but my GoPro was dead, so you guys missed that, but he ran me over and my bike, and then his bike fell on top of me and trapped me. But anyways, I broke the thing to adjust the clutch cable and the front number plate, but it's alright. It's still good to rip for today. We're at NHMX. And Stevie's got his 2019 KX. So I'm gonna do some warm-up laps on my bike, and then maybe we'll take this thing out for a test ride. Alright guys, I'm going to ride Steve's 2020 KX. It's pretty stock. Well, it looks pretty stock. It just has the graphics. But if you guys know, the 2020s had recalls on the valves. So when they took it apart, they what?
Valve springs.
On the valve springs. So what did they do? Pour and polish the head, right? When they had it apart. So it's got some motor work and a tune. So we're gonna take it for a rip and see how it goes. My bike's acting funny. Keeps bogging on me. I don't know. So we're gonna see what's up with this. Test it out. 6 hours on there. It's freshy. Not used to this kickstart. I think I would roll them back a little bit. too fast. It's not my bike, it's brand new. I don't want to crash his brand new bike. So we're just gonna go for a quick little ride here. Just feel it out. It feels in a weird spot. It's so weird getting on a different bike. You know, everything just feels different. Not in a bad way. I'm just not used to it. Feel way too far up. Not used to it. like it wants to dart a little bit. It's trying to go its own way. It's alright. It feels funny on me. I'm not used to it. I don't not like it, I'm just not used to it.
Is it that much different than your bike?
It's just I'm not used to it. But yeah, no, it does have good power. It has good power. I don't like how narrow it is. It feels like it's too narrow. And it feels a little darty, like it wants to go its own way.
You feel my bars at all? You feel like fucking...
Alright, like usual guys, I didn't end up filming an outro at the track, so I just wanted to give you guys quick thoughts on the 2020 KX. Just right off the bat, this isn't a full-blown review. I just took it for a quick test ride. A few things immediately is I hated the bars, and I've heard other people saying they don't like the bars. They're way too big. I'm about 5'10", and those bars, I just felt they felt like ape hangers. I felt like I was reaching for them. And like I've said, I've heard other people say the same thing. They didn't really like them. And this is all, it could just be I'm not used to it. A lot of things you got to get used to. But that is definitely a major thing I didn't like. The other thing, the bike is narrow, very narrow. But like any other bike, you would get used to that. So that's not the bike's fault, but those are just some of the things I noticed. The power felt really good, the brakes felt good, suspension felt good for not being set up for me. So the one thing I would change is probably the bars right off the bat, and that's about it. Otherwise, it's a great bike. It had a lot of power. It's a good looking bike, definitely with those graphics. But let me know if you guys have rode a 2020 down in the comments below what you think. Would you guys buy one? What's your favorite bike? Let me know what you thought of this longer video as well. And if you're new around here, subscribe, smash that like button. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.